Reasons health experts recommend against eating salmon and tilapia, considering ways to enhance your well-being with seafood? As everyone knows, cooking or eating fish can be an amazing experience. It's a unique, distinct habitat, and a great way to get essential vitamins and nutrients. Consider tilapia fish, which is the most widely cultivated fish in America due to its low cost. Because seafood is typically quite expensive due to the vitamins it contains, which can prevent people from eating it. It should come as no surprise that the most popular fish is also the least expensive. Nevertheless, medical professionals are now recommending consumers to avoid tilapia fish at all costs. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all of our amazing life hacks advice from the best source. A close friend of mine claims that it is lacking in nutrients. The fact that tilapia contains comparatively few nutrients is one of the main reasons experts recommend against eating fish. Studies from Wake Forest University School of Medicine show that tilapia fish scored significantly lower than most other fish on the omega-3 fatty acid concentration scale. Parkinson's disease, a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease, is one of the many health benefits of fish that are attributed to its omega-3 fatty acids. Remember that while omega-3 fatty acids help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, omega-6 fatty acids have the potential to cause cancer. There are more omega-6 fatty acids in tilapia fish than in hamburgers or bacon. Arachidonic acid is one of the omega-6 fatty acids present in tilapia fish. This substance exacerbates inflammation, which is linked to Alzheimer's. What other kind of fish, that you may prepare a lot, is also deemed unhealthy and unsafe to consume? I'll continue to watch because we'll talk about another kind of fish that can be harmful to consume if you eat farmed fish once we finish discussing the health dangers connected with tilapia. Tilapia is the second most farmed fish in the world, with most of its population coming from farms. Because of its toughness, the fish can eat nearly anything, which is great for farmers but not so great for consumers. Farmers feed pig excrement and chicken cancer risk to tilapia instead of paying money for fish food, which is normally required. Tilapia not only increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease but also carries a risk of malignancy. Dioxin is a hazardous substance that is present in fish and has been connected to the onset and spread of cancer. The problem with this substance is that it takes your body 7 to 10 years to completely eliminate it, which means that if your body contains significant amounts of dioxin, your risk of cancer is elevated. Healthy alternatives: if you love fish but are a bad tilapia eater, you ought to look at other options. The omega-3 fatty acid content of freshwater coho salmon ranges from 700 to 1,800 milligrams, making it one of the best options for fish. Sardines are considered one of the world's great foods, so while they might not be everyone's favorite dinner option, they are incredibly healthful. There are more omega-3 fatty acids in it. 1950 milligrams compared to a serving of salmon per 3-ounce portion. It has a high vitamin D content as well. Remember that Google is always your friend while searching for delicious sardine dinner recipes. After learning about the health risks associated with tilapia, continue reading to learn about the health issues related to farmed salmon, another highly sought-after seafood. This video may make you decide never to cook fish again. Ecological issues. Well-known Norwegian environmentalist Kurt Oda Kalv contends that salmon aquaculture is harmful to the environment and public health. Salmon farms are situated in the Norwegian fjords, where there is allegedly a 15-meter-high layer of trash that contains pesticides, antibiotics, and pathogens. Because the sea farms are situated in open water, the pollution these farms create cannot be contained, and the seafloor looks to be completely destroyed. It is not possible to house up to 2 million salmon in close quarters because the stress of the close quarters allows disease to spread rapidly among the salmon. Despite the fact that fish is thought to be a healthful diet, Oda Kalv says that sea lice and the infectious salmon anemia virus have spread throughout Norway while customers are ignorant of the fish pandemics and continue to buy dead fish toxins. Oda Kalv declares that one of the world's most poisonous foods is today's farmed salmon. Toxicology researcher Jerome Rugen has verified these statements after conducting toxicological testing on several food groups available in Norway. It has been discovered that farmed salmon is 5 times more toxic than any other product assessed to be hazardous to children and expectant mothers. I do not recommend pregnant women, children, or young people eat farmed salmon because the amount of toxins in salmon and the effects of these drugs on children, adolescents, and pregnant women are unknown, said renowned biologist Dr. Anne-Lise Bertz-Monsen of the University of Bergen in Norway. She continues by saying that the toxins in farmed salmon affect not only various organ systems in the body's immune system and metabolism, but also the development of the brain linked to autism. Tradition holds that consuming more than one meal of farmed-raised salmon per month raises your chance of getting cancer later on because the fish has high levels of dioxins and chemicals that cause cancer. Moreover, it's believed that eating salmon raised in farms causes inflammation in the body, which can result in a number of illnesses like diabetes, cancer, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. Even though fish is one of the healthiest foods available, there is no doubting the harm farmed salmon causes to the environment and to human health. With the growing movement, it's safe to say that more and more people are becoming aware of the facts and research presented in documentaries that make them reconsider eating processed foods and any animal products. There are also plenty of excellent fish and food options that are prepared in a healthier manner for human consumption. Ineluctably, we are discovering more about the reasons behind people's diet elimination of this component. Nicholas Daniels' film Filet-O-Fish examines fish farms and factories worldwide in an effort to inform people about the fish they eat. It offers a critical perspective on the fishing business. While the holistic approach to healthy living romanticizes fishing, large-scale food production is a quite different tale. Which healthy fish substitutes do you like to eat instead of tilapia and salmon? Kindly contribute your ideas in the space provided. For comments below, please hit the like and share buttons on this video if you enjoyed it. You may see more movies similar to this by subscribing to our channel.